there is something we need. It's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare.
Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Saturday. This is going to be a little shorty. I'm not going to do any editing really. I might add an intro and outro, but just wanted to give y'all a little view of where we live. Look at this. This is our post staff. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, Jerry's got his old sign up. He's got to get a new one. I think Aaron Jemison's gonna make us new signs when we go to the Amana meetup. Jerry's over there checking out his daily feed. The little lights we hung up in some trees. Isn't it pretty? We've got the best site here. These are all little solar lights. So we've got them hung up in the trees and they come on when it gets dark and they charge all day long. So there's the back. We've got the razors under the cover. There's our smoker. There's the Blackstone. Oh, look who's over here. We got Oscar. He's loving the morning. He's just chilling, watching the birds. Say hi, Oscar. Look, we got some roses here. We didn't plant them. They were already here. The camp host that's been here for, I don't know, a long time. They planted them. Oh, and our little critters, they fell over. So we got these two little solar, I think one's like a little squirrel, a little groundhog, and one's a little frog. We got that from Troubadour when we met up with them. They gave us this cute little gift bag. There's some more of those solar lights. And we don't have our awning out, but man, it is just beautifully shaded. Of course, there's another Oscar picture. Because I said his name, he's got to get all looking at us. Let's see if I can get a close-up of the roses. Little Oscar meow. There's the hammock. It's all closed up. It's so comfy. There's our little fire ring. And the newest addition. Ha ha ha. Got some tomato plants. And you want to see something really cool? Look at this. Let me see if I can find him. Ho ho ho, that's a tomato. We just got those the other day. They're actually pretty big already, which is a good thing. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Take you a little walk around the back so you can see. This, I think we have the best spot because right there I can do laundry. We've got trees all around us, so there's nobody here. Let's walk through the back, through the woods. And look, that's our back. So all y'all that keep seeing me post squirrel pictures and bunny pictures, they love this field. I think there must have been a bunch of bunny nests right under there. But yeah, it's a little tree. That's the camp host hut, so that's where people come in and they pay or they get firewood. So really there's nobody on that side of us. You know, there's the working side. There's little hookups there. Walk around towards the front, giving y'all just this little tour. This is, again, yeah, a short little video. Not going to be editing. I'll add an intro to it and an outro. But let's just see. We're not right on the lake like we were before. But man, we take walks every night. And we get to walk. Right down there is the water. And those are all the water sites. All the water has receded. They've let the water out of the dam. So it is looking good. I mean, you can't beat this. I think anything else that would have made this even better is to have my family closer. I just heard Oscar. He's watching me walk around, but yep. Sometimes we'll see deer out here walking around in that field. There's bunnies galore. And there's a Jerry. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. Get out there and live life. Bless people, love on people. We're only here a short period. Make it worthwhile. Bye-bye.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. A step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around.